Na truth na dem talk say when mama don support lies from her children, when time reach to support the truth, e go dey am very difficult because the children don already dey used to say she dey support dem when dey do bad. My beautiful and amazing people, the drama between Pero, Two-Face baby mama, and Natasha with two baba, e don enter the mama o. Na the mama don come dey collect woto now as e dey hot. But before I go cap una the legit wey dey for ground, I greet una good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where una dey watch me from and at the hour wey una take come across this video. To my returning and amazing subscribers, una face show, una shoe shine, una own no go ever fit spoil, and una no go ever see the one wey go make una start dey run kitty, start dey run kata for inside life by the special grace of God Almighty. Anything wey una seek for, God go give una in a platter of gold. And to my first time viewers, thank you for stopping by. I still remember una humble girl Gifted Gist. I mean, they bring una latest of all legit info. If you never subscribe to this channel, I use God name beg una, make una dey help us dey subscribe, hit on the notification bell so that they go notify you anytime we will drop latest ogbonge tori like this. My beautiful and amazing people, tori dey ground o, matter yawa e don gas. Una go hear this one so that una go chook mouth. If true, Two-Face mama dey guilty for inside this matter wey dey ground. Now, according to the information wey dey reach us, allegedly they be tell us say Pero, wey be Two-Face baby mama, ask for her children school fees wey Two-Face got to pay as the father of the children. Based on ever since she returned back to UK and return back to outside country, Two-Face have been the one paying for child support. They pay money to take care of the children, even though no be say in dey pay, the one wey she dey spend even still pass the one wey Two-Face dey pay, but e just got to pay something. E got to release money for one thing or the other so that e go dey present for the children life, make e no come be say e go come enjoy the fruit of a labor while e no put shishi, because she dey very much aware say whether she allow Two-Face into the life of the children or not, when children grow, they go definitely look for their papa. E no get as e wan be, because once they start dey insult the children say you are a bastard, they go start dey vex. They no go happy, so they go wan go find their father. And this one sef, they have been present in the life. The father has been present in their life because they come Nigeria come holiday. The last time wey dem come holiday, na im that serious drama start between Two-Face and Natasha, wey Two-Face run leave house go dey stay with Natasha for Benin. They go from one waka or the other, from one hotel to the other, from one club to the other, from going to House of Assembly to coming out, as in all the drama just dey surface. E comot, e no let anybody know. Now, according to the information wey come dey reach us, say una see those drama wey Two-Face dey do, the mama dey very much aware of all these things wey Two-Face dey do, and that her coming out to come tell the world say, mothers in the house all over the world, make una help me tell my son, make una help me tell Natasha, make she remove bead from my pikin neck and my pikin hand. Make una help me tell Natasha, make she do this, make she do that. I dey look for my son. She contact all the whole state agencies, this one, that one. According to the information wey dey reach us, say na lie. Two-Face mama dey do all those ones so that they no go come drag her lege. Una know say online in-laws, they plenty dey wait for where e go dey wrong. You understand? So that as she can't do that drama now, they will come talk say, Two-Face mama no dey in acceptance, so she no happy for this Natasha and Two-Face, so this one, that one, no, so that her name go clear for the book of record. Not knowing say she just do am according to the information allegedly, say she just do am come out so that her name, they no go drag her lege for inside the matter wey dey for ground. Oh, no be small thing o. Na im dey come tell us now say Pero, when she asked Two-Face, una know say she call Two-Face for phone, The first time na Natasha na im pick the call say Two-Face no dey around. Anything wey she wan tell Two-Face, make she tell her first of all. As she call for the child support money, say e don dey reach time wey Two-Face go pay. E don even pass time wey Two-Face go send money for her children account. She never still see money. Say wetin dey sup, wetin dey sup. Say over 3 months now na Two-Face don dey do this drama. Say wetin dey happen, because when Annie was in the picture, e no dey delay. She has never called him for money for her children account. She never call am for any time at all say money o, she never see am. Rather, she go call am say she don see am, the children wan do live video with am or one thing. Say but to call am say for money matter, she never did that. Now when Natasha dey into the picture, na every Eke market day over 3 months now, na she dey call am for money matter. My people, na wow. Na im dey say, I know say as she call, when Natasha pick, say make she tell her everything wey she wan tell Two-Face, say she go deliver the message. When they say Pero no gree, she say na lie, say na Two-Face she wan talk to. She no get business with Natasha. Now Natasha again cut the call, say make she sit down dey wait till Two-Face come. When Two-Face return, Two-Face no call her o. Now she still carry her phone, come still call Two-Face after hours. They still pick. Two-Face just talk say im don hear. Natasha still dey do drama, dey drag Pero for phone over the needful, something wey be say na wetin Two-Face dey do on a steady. I wonder why you come dey drag the Pero wey don marry, get her own children for outside country. I wonder which one be Natasha own. As una say Natasha no get problem, true she no get problem o. God no go let her get problem. By the special grace of God, she no go give Two-Face problem, because they already been tell Two-Face say make him run o. Him talk say him be Puna mechanic, he can handle it. God no go let Natasha give am problem. My people. So the matter wey I dey talk, make I no come dey deviate. They come say na im Pero come call Two-Face mama to report Two-Face, because after she finish wey she talk to Two-Face, wey Two-Face say im don hear, up till date Two-Face never still send the money. Na im dem say she come call Two-Face mama, say make Two-Face mama see wetin dey happen o, make she see wetin dey happen. Say she don call Two-Face, see wetin Two-Face talk. He say im don hear, and school don resume, and she no dey like make dem call her for school fees before she go pay the money. Say she dey always pay before they even call her, and school don resume, and the children need one thing or the other to take sort the matter wey dey ground. But nothing. She never hear from Two-Face. The other time now, na Natasha, na im dey come dey talk to her, anyhow. Na im dey say Two-Face mama say say make she no worry, say she go talk to Two-Face wey be her son. Say because she no even get wetin to talk. Una remember say the time wey Pero dey into the picture, nothing wey Two-Face mama no tell Pero. Say make Pero no worry, Two-Face go marry her. Say make she forget about any other side distraction. Say Annie, they no like her. Right from onset, na Two-Face mama no like Annie o. Right from onset, na e no like Annie. Una remember say Gistlover bin come tell us say Annie, when she comot for the picture, when Two-Face finally go bring her back as they settle, Two-Face mama come dey tell Two-Face say wetin you dey find with Annie? Say see Pero, because right from onset the mama like Pero well, which is the Two-Face mama. She like Pero well because Pero dey give her steady, like she dey give her money, dey give her gifts, dey give her different things. So she like Pero. The family like Pero well, even pass Sombo. No, say Sombo na the first one, but na the pikin wey Sombo carry, wey they say they wan comot, wey they say no, she say no, she no go allow Sombo comot any pikin. Make Sombo come stay with her, born the pikin. Before you know, Pero come into the picture. So the mother now was left with no choice. In between the three of them, she can't like Pero pass. According to Gistlover, that time when she come with updates, say na Pero they can't like pass. As the mother, they see say Annie can't come into the picture, Two-Face can't say to, as a result of the sacrifices wey Annie don't do for am, he won't marry Annie. They say the family say no, they no like Annie, but he still went ahead to tell them all the sacrifice wey Annie don't do for am, for im career, for everything put together. So she deserve to be his wife. Now make the talk say make you no marry person out of pity, make you no marry somebody because of wetin the sacrifice wey e don do for you. Marry the person because you love the person. Even though we know talk say Two-Face love Annie, but na Annie own na im pass. That's why she do virtually most of the sacrifices wey be say on a normal day woman no fit do am for man. Now as e be say na from onset, according to the information now, say na im Two-Face mama no like Annie. We bin no know before o. We bin only know talk say she bin come out dey talk say Annie dey always tell dem say dem no dey around. Anytime she ask money from her son, na one drama or the other. Annie no wan make her son give her money. Annie dey always tell dem say dem travel. If she say she wan come around, Annie no wan see the man family, which is Two-Face family, for their house. She just wan dey only she with the husband and her children, this one, that one. So as they say, Pero come call Two-Face mama, come tell Two-Face mama everything wey happen. Say see. Two-Face mama say she go talk to Two-Face. As she talk to Two-Face, e be like say Two-Face na wetin still dey im mind na e wan do. Wey make me I talk am from the beginning of my video say sometimes if mama don too teach children say na the negative part she wan dey support, when it's time to talk the positive part for the children, they no go wan hear. Maybe she don talk to Two-Face, who knows, about the matter. Two-Face no gree hear. Na im dey say Pero surface o. Come start dey drag the mother lege, start dey talk the mother secret one after the other. How she take no like Annie, how she take lie to her say Two-Face go marry her, Two-Face go marry her. She say she born one, born two, born three. So tey with all the things wey she dey buy, dey give mama Two-Face, this one, that one, and she no go know talk say Two-Face mother maybe she talk to Two-Face o. She just dey feel am like Two-Face suppose lis ten to im mother because normally her children dey lis ten to her. But she no know talk say Two-Face mama no get say for inside this one, because if Two-Face mama get say, she no go just accept Natasha after coming out to tell the world say make dem tell Natasha make she comot bead for her pikin hand and her pikin leg. She no go just accept her just like that. Wey be say Natasha come out come dey do nto to people wey online in-laws wey talk say her mother-in-law dey vex with her, her mother-in-law no wan support the marriage. Una know say she come out come dey do us nto with the online in-laws. Say if to say mama Two-Face dey stable, she no for just accept Natasha like that with one hand. But because mama Two-Face na the reason, na she dey cause the problem wey Two-Face get, na im dey say Pero start dey talk am o. Say mama Two-Face na im deceive her, tell her so many things that time. How she go take hold on say dem no go marry Annie, and she go still be Two-Face wife. This one, that one, born two, born three. That she give her reasons to hold on, to stay. Now time reach now wey the pikin go pay support, the pikin no wan pay support. Then na she still tell us say they no like Annie. This one, that one. Annie dey do this, Annie dey do that. Annie dey take druggy. Annie and Two-Face na cat and dog. They no fit ever settle. Make she no worry. Na so they take give her hope. Now time reach make her pikin do the needful. The pikin no wan do the needful. This one, that one, omo. Na so Pero start dey put am for the mother body o. Say maybe na the car wey Natasha buy for Two-Face mama, whether na that one na im dey shark Two-Face mama, na only God na im know. Because e be like say Two-Face mama now na two-sided woman. Na where money dey, na there they dey see her. Because if no be two-sided person, you no fit give your pikin, tell your pikin say, I know say Two-Face no be small pikin again. Yes, but you go, as the mother, you go give am reasons why he need to do the needful. You go give am reasons why the things that he's doing, he's not doing it rightly. You understand? And as a child, if a mother don't know how to talk to her pikin right from beginning of his life till now wey e grow, they say no matter how tall wey okra tall reach, the owner go fit still bend down cut am when time reach. No matter how Two-Face take be elderly man, take be older man, take be who wey im be, e no suppose hear im mama talk twice wey e no go sit down reason am. If to say the mother dey really dey talk, and they say Pero say she go scatter am for the mother hand, say she go call Annie, tell Annie so many things wey mama Two-Face don talk for her head. All the plans wey they don plan so far to take scatter the marriage from beginning, wey they no like Annie, they say they no go marry. At the end of the day, Two-Face marry her. How they take the plan and say they won't scatter the marriage. But last, the marriage now don't scatter. To the glory of God, Annie is not even complaining. She's living her best life. So now still good thing. You know, so sometimes things go happen. We go come dey imagine and say, God, e don bad for me like this. So e don worse for me like this. Oh God, how am I going to do it? God go just surface, turn am around, make e come favour you. Na im be this one so. As dem think say dem dey do Annie, dem don scatter am for Annie hand. Last last, God don come through, come show dem say im be God. Now she's living her life. Make God continue to dey bless her, give her reasons not to regret say, oh, to say I know am for no leave Two-Face. Make God come through for her in all ramification and all area of her life. Make she fit take care of her children, stay for her day. Make God also do am for Two-Face too, so that he no go come say, had I know wey dey come at last. And as for Natasha, make she dey calm down so that she no go enter people mouth negatively, because as e take be like this, so omo, e don dey enter dey go, e don dey enter dey go like this. So because as Pero don talk am say she go scatter the table, na im be say she too she wan start dey dig things and things wey she go take use am drag the Natasha, because omo, she don drag Two-Face mama now say she go call Annie, tell Annie everything wey she don talk concerning Annie, how she dey take plan to scatter the marriage and so on and so forth. Now she go soon enter Natasha own. Oh my people, abeg o, make una come chook mouth for inside this matter o. Wetin una think concerning this matter now? Una really feel am say true true na Two-Face mama be the problem of Two-Face, abi na Two-Face na be the problem of himself? Because make una no forget say im talk am say im be Puna mechanic o. Whether na im federal government dey put am for inside this problem wey im dey like this, so na only God na im know. My people, make we interact. Do well to give this video a massive thumbs up. Help us to share the like for more like minds and more recommendations. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.